Hey, it's Karen Wright, your local real estate agent in Wichita, Kansas. So today I wanted to show you Riverfest. So this is an event that's been going on. I guess this year was the 50th year, technically 49, but I'm not counting COVID. So huge turnout for a Willie Nelson concert, and that's where I took the video tonight. You see the food court. This is in 2022, and what was great this year is at the end of the video on here you will see the drone show. So they had a drone show. In addition, like I said, this was just one of the concerts. It does go on through the week. I think it's about June 3rd to the 11th this year, so it's always a little bit over a week. It covers both weekends, and a great time for the family. $15 for the buttons. You can get those at Quick Trip. And then, of course, you got the amazing food at all the venues there. And it got pretty crowded tonight, or the night that I filmed this. 50,000. Greatest turnout ever, they said. And funny enough, it was the year, the 50th year of the Wichita Riverfest. So anyway, check out the video.
Riverfest has been here for 50 years.